welcome to HEInnovate, an online self-assessment tool that is free, confidential, and open for anyone to use. HEInnovate is a tool which can help you assess the innovative and entrepreneurial potential of your higher education institution, identify areas for change, and provide guidance and good practice materials to take action. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the main functions of the HEInnovate website. To gain full access to the HEInnovate website, you must first sign in to your existing account. To do this, click on the Sign In button on the home page. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to request a new one. For new users, use the registration form on the right-hand side. It only takes a minute to create an HEInnovate account. If you do not wish to create an HEInnovate account, you can also use the Guest option to explore the website. This option also allows you to complete the self-assessment without registration. Once you have registered or signed in, you will be taken to the user dashboard. Here you have access to the most important features of HEInnovate, my self-assessment related functions, and my group related functions. In this video, we are going to take you through the main features and functions of the section My Self-Assessments. There is a separate video tutorial on how to use the group related functions. There are two main functions under My Self-Assessments: Start a self-assessment, as well as View and manage my self-assessments. To start a new self-assessment, click on Start Now. You will be prompted to complete a few more details about yourself. You only have to do this once, and if you return to HEInnovate in the future, these details will be pre-filled for you. If you wish, you can complete the self-assessment anonymously by ticking the box here. When this is done, click on Start Your Self-Assessment to continue. On this page, you can see the 8 dimensions covered by HEInnovate. You can start the self-assessment by clicking on any of the dimensions. You can also download the concept note from this page. This document provides background on HEInnovate. You are now in the self-assessment section. To complete the self-assessment, there are a series of statements to consider. For each one, you can give a score on how you rate the performance of your higher education institution in relation to the statement. There is a sliding scale underneath each statement for you to assign your score. The scale is 1 to 5, where 5 is high and 1 is low. There is also the option available, Not Applicable. A word of warning: if you leave the slider in the original position, your answer will be classified as not applicable. Once you have completed the statements from one dimension, simply click on the Save and Go to Next Area button. The self-assessment will be automatically saved for you, so you can return to it at a later time to finish completing if necessary. HEInnovate is flexible, and you can go through all 8 dimensions of the self-assessment in any order you choose, or simply fill in the one you are interested in. When you have completed the self-assessment, click on the Submit this self-assessment button. Once submitted, you have access to your self-assessment results displayed in the following ways: an overview, a comparison, your detailed results. In the Overview section, you can view and download your results as a chart. In addition, you also have recommended resources, giving you access to case studies, guidance notes, and videos. These have been selected for you based on your submitted answers. The Comparison section provides you with a comparison of your results against all self-assessment completions on HEInnovate. In the Detailed Results section, you can browse your individual answers and results. If you submitted your self-assessment as a guest user, you can also use the Comparison and Detailed Results. In addition, you can download your results as a PDF or send it to your email address. Please note that your self-assessment completion will be automatically deleted from the database after 90 days. If you wish your results to be deleted sooner, use the unique ID displayed on the results page and quote the ID to the help desk. When returning to the user dashboard, in View and Manage My Self-Assessments, you have the following functions. Start a new self-assessment. You can start as many self-assessments as you wish. View the list of all your self-assessments, including the status of them. If the status shown is not started or in progress, you can start or finish completing them. For those which are already completed, you can view the results. Assign a self-assessment to a group. If you were invited to participate in a group exercise and you have already completed a self-assessment, you can assign those existing results to a group. In this case, your results will be included in the group results, and the group administrator will have access to them. Delete your self-assessment. You can always delete any of your self-assessments if you wish. The Resources section gives you access to numerous case studies, user stories, guidance notes, and videos which can be viewed and downloaded. Use the filters on top in order to narrow your search results. Please note that only registered users can have full access to all the resources available. There is an HEInnovate training package, which provides information on how to organise and run your own HEInnovate workshops. This can be found in the section Training Materials. Other features of the website include news and events, where we keep you updated on HEInnovate. In the About HEInnovate section, you can contact us, read testimonials, and see our privacy policy. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can send your comments and inquiries to info@heiinnovate.eu.